Hello everyone, welcome back to Mr. English Stream. This is the channel where learning English is simple, easy, and fun. I'm your host, Emma. I'm so happy to be here today.
And I'm Noah. Hi, Emma. It's great to see you. Hello to everyone watching us today. We'll help you learn English step by step. One fun story at a time.
Sounds perfect. How are you today, Noah? I have my cup of tea right here. It's a beautiful morning.
I have my coffee, as always. The morning is nice, but I'm a little tired.
Tired? Oh no, did you have a long day at work yesterday?
Work was okay. Pretty normal. But my evening? That was a disaster. Something happened in my kitchen.
A disaster in the kitchen? Oh wow! Tell me everything. What happened?
Well, I got home from work and I was very hungry. You know that feeling? Hungry and tired at the same time. I looked in my fridge and decided to make a pizza.
Ooh, pizza! I love pizza. It's my favorite food. What kind of pizza did you make?
Pepperoni, my favorite. I took out the pizza base, added tomato sauce and lots of cheese. Then I put the pepperoni on top.
Nice! So you put it in the oven, right?
Yep. I put it in the oven and set the timer for 15 minutes. I thought, in 15 minutes, I'll have a perfect pizza. I felt so proud of myself.
I'm waiting for the disaster part. What went wrong?
Well, while the pizza was cooking, my favorite movie came on TV. It was an action movie. Fast cars, big explosions, everything.
Uh-oh, let me guess. You forgot the pizza?
Exactly. I sat on my sofa, started watching, and completely forgot. The movie was amazing. I forgot about the time and the pizza.
Oh, Noah.
I know. After maybe 30 minutes, or 40, I smelled something strange. It wasn't a good smell. It was smoky, really bad.
Oh no, was it the pizza?
Yep, the pizza was gone. I ran to the kitchen. Smoke was everywhere. I opened the oven and boom! A big cloud of black smoke came out. The pizza was totally black.
Completely black?
Completely. Hard as a rock. Not soft at all. I couldn't eat it. I was so sad and still very hungry.
Poor you! So, what did you eat for dinner then?
Definitely not that pizza. I threw it away. Then I picked up my phone and ordered one from a restaurant.
Perfect. A real kitchen disaster. By the way, everyone, disaster means something very bad that happens. So, you still had pizza for dinner after all. A perfect ending to a disaster story. Well, my week is going much better than your pizza, I think.
I'm happy to hear that, Emma. My poor pizza still makes me sad. So, what are you going to do this weekend? Any good plans?
Oh yes, I have a wonderful plan. It's one of my favorite things to do. My friend Sarah and I are going to the big city park on Saturday.
The park? Nice. That park has a beautiful lake. What will you do there?
We're going to have a picnic. We'll find a quiet spot under a big tree. We'll put a blanket on the grass and just relax.
A picnic? That sounds great. I love picnics too. What food will you bring? Please don't say burned pizza.
Don't worry. I'm going to make some sandwiches in the morning. I'll also make a big fresh salad with lots of vegetables. And I'll buy some fruit. Maybe apples and bananas.
That sounds so good. You're a great cook, not like me. What about Sarah? Is she bringing anything?
Yes, Sarah will bring drinks and dessert. She's making fresh orange juice and bringing a big bottle of water. For dessert, she'll bring her famous chocolate cookies. She makes the best cookies in the world.
Homemade cookies. I'm hungry again. That's a perfect plan. Do you know if the weather will be good on Saturday?
Yes, I checked the weather this morning. It says it will be warm and sunny. No clouds at all. Perfect weather for a picnic.
Sounds like a perfect weekend. Fresh air, sunshine, and good food. That's a nice way to relax. Is that your favorite hobby, spending time outdoors?
Yes, it is. I love walking in the park or hiking in the mountains. The air is fresh. It's quiet. It helps me relax after a busy week. What about you, Noah? I know you like movies. Is that your favorite hobby?
Yes, for sure. I love watching movies on my sofa. As you already know, action movies are my favorite. They're exciting, but I also love comedies.
A comedy means a funny movie, right? Something that makes you laugh.
Exactly. A movie that makes you laugh a lot. It's the best feeling after a long week. Do you like movies too, Emma?
I do, but I think I love reading books even more. I'll even bring a book to the picnic on Saturday.
A book and a picnic under a tree. That sounds relaxing. What kind of books do you like to read?
I like stories about travel and adventure. When I read, I feel like I'm in another country. I just finished a book about a woman who traveled all around Italy.
That sounds great. So, our hobbies are very different. I like movies inside, and you like nature and books outside.
That's true, but we both love pizza, right?
That's absolutely true. We both love pizza. Well, Emma, look at the time. Our conversation is almost over. Time goes so fast.
It really does. Well, that's all the time we have for today, everyone. This was so much fun.
It was. Thank you for listening, everyone. We hope you enjoyed our chat. If you did, please click like and give us a thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow.
And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to Mr. English Stream. Join our learning community. We're so happy to have you.
Absolutely. Before we go, we have a question for you. Practice your English. That's how you learn.
So here's our question. What's your favorite hobby? And what are your plans for this weekend?
Tell us in the comments below. Do you like cooking? Maybe you had a kitchen disaster like me. Or maybe you'll do something fun and relaxing like Emma. Write 1 or 2 sentences in English. We read every comment.
We love reading your comments. It's great to hear from you. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and have a wonderful week. Bye, everyone.
Goodbye, and take care of your pizzas.